Hello everyone, this is Shekhar Gulwade, Assistant Professor from Mechanical Engineering Department. We will teach you the Advanced Manufacturing Processes Elective 4. Now in this lecture, we will discuss about first of all the structure, then syllabus, then what are the course outcome and introduction of advanced manufacturing processes. Now first of all guys, this is all about the structures. Now the advanced manufacturing processes, which is elective 4 of total 100 marks, this 100 marks has divided into two examination scheme, that is the 30 marks for in-sem examinations and 70 marks for end-sem examinations. Okay, as shown in screen. Now in next we will discuss the syllabus of this advanced manufacturing process course. Now we are going to the discuss about the syllabus, that is the unit first, which is the special forming processes. The special forming processes consist of principles, their machines, process variables, characteristics, advantages, limitations and applications of HERF, that is high energy rate forming process. Also contain the high velocity forming, explosive forming, magnetic pulse forming, electrohydraulic forming, metal spinning, flow forming, stretch forming, incremental sheet metal forming, petro forge forming, micro forming, micro coining, micro extrusion, micro bending, laser bending and fly banking. This is all about the forming processes which is covered in unit first. Now we are going to discuss about the unit second content, that is the advanced joining processes, which is the name of unit second, which is consist of the friction stir welding, electron beam welding, laser beam welding, ultrasonic welding, underwater welding, cryogenic welding, thermal spray coating, welding of plastic and composite, explosive joining and adhesive bonding. So this is all about the advanced joining processes. Now in unit 3rd we will discuss the hybrid and non-conventional machining techniques like introduction to hydraulic processes, abrasive flow finishing, magnetic abrasive finishing, abrasive water jet machining, wire electric discharge machining, electrochemical grinding, electrochemical deburring, shape tube electrolytic machining, electrojet machining, ultrasonic assisted EDM, rotary EDM, electro discharge machining, okay, so etc. So this machining technique we will discuss in unit 3rd. Now unit 4 consists of the micro machining and nano fabrication techniques, right? Like mechanism of material removal applications, advance of the diamond turn machining, ultrasonic machining, focus ion beam machining, lithography, photochemical machining, challenge in micro and nano fabrication techniques, etc. In unit 5 we will discuss about the additive manufacturing processes. Okay, so in this unit 5, the content of unit 5 are introduction and principle of additive manufacturing process, generalized additive manufacturing process chain, classification of additive manufacturing processes and its principal, process steps and materials, post processing of parts manufactured by additive manufacturing, software issue in additive manufacturing, design for additive manufacturing. Also we will discuss the application of additive manufacturing in medical and aerospace technology. And last one is the unit 6. In unit 6, that is the material characterizes technique. Okay, so what are the techniques which is used to for material characterizations? Okay, like in microscopy, electron microscope, SEM, scanning electron microscope, transmission electron microscope, scanning cleaning microscope, atomic force microscope, field iron microscope, etc. Spectroscopy, energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, X-ray diffraction, X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, nuclear magnetic resource spectroscopy, electron backscatter diffraction, etc. So these are the material characterization techniques we will discuss in these techniques in unit 6. So this is all about the syllabus of advanced manufacturing processes. Now next which is the course outcomes. So after completion of this course, student should be able to this 6 CO first COs, that is the student should be able to discuss the forming processes for making different automobile, aerospace, energy, medical, military and environmental parts. After completion of this course, students should be able to explain the advanced joining processes as it helps to increase the productivity and consume less times. Also, students should be able to discuss the impart knowledge of advanced techniques for material processing. Students should be able to explain the different techniques used in micro manufacturings. At the end of this course, student should be able to discuss the additive manufacturing devices and process to create the physical object that satisfy the product development, prototyping requirements. And after completion of this lecture, students should be able to evaluate the micro features of teeny parts at high resolution using material characterization techniques. Now guys, this is all about the course outcome. Okay, we have 6 units, so here we have the 6 course outcome. That is the each unit has one course outcome, right? So CO1 for unit first, CO2 for unit second, CO3 for unit third, CO4 for unit 4, CO5 for unit 5 and CO6, that is the course outcome 6 for unit 6. So this is all about the course outcome. Now guys, we will start the introductions. So first of all, the question arises, the what is manufacturing, right? So there are many ways and definitions available to explain the concept of the manufacturing. Some of these definitions are listed below. The process of converting raw material into the finished product is nothing but manufacturing. Also, the manufacturing is also broad activity encompassing many functions, everything from purchasing to quality control of the final product, which is called as also manufacturing. Manufacturing is nothing but the chemical or physical transformation of the material, substance or components into some of the new products. Manufacturing is a value addition activity to the raw material, substances or components. Manufacturing is a process through which products are made through various production activities. Manufacturing is the use of machines, tools and labor to make things for use or sell. And manufacturing is an application of different resources such as machinery and people used for converting the materials into the finished goods. So this is all about the manufacturing, that is the some of the definitions of manufacturing. See what we mean by manufacturing. So in simple, the manufacturing is nothing but the conversion of raw material into the finished product. So this is all about the manufacturing. So guys, see in this PPT, that is the manufacturing system. That means the how the product starts, right? So first of all, the innovative idea is generated, right? So this innovative idea which is converted into the product design. So see the second table, that is the product design. That means the translating the voice of the customer into the quality oriented design. After getting the design, which is again into the third part, that is the purchasing and vendor management. That means the processing the quality of raw material components in right quantity, right? Now this which is again going to the engineering and manufacturing department. That means the right planning of the processing, that means the raw material which is converted into the finished product using the manufacturing processes. Here we want the energy conversion of raw material into the manufacturing process, and during that conversion we get the waste, so we have to waste management. Also we want the labor, financial or material resources for manufacturing processes. That means the conversion of raw material into the finished product. Now next part is this finished product which is check for quality purpose, which is into the reliability and quality check. So inspection report of 100% quality product, and this quality product again which is field service and report of performance of the product. So means how this product perform into the market, and we get this feedback which is directly linked to the uh, uh, starting of the product. Means if you get about negative feedback about the product, then some changes need to be implanted into that finished product, right? So this feedback which is directly joined into the customer feedback, right, or existing product as shown in figure. So this is about the manufacturing system, means how manufacturing system works, right? So in simple way, first of all, the idea is generate this idea which is converted into product design. Now product design, after getting the product design, the quality of raw material and components is right quantity. Now this quality of raw material which is converted into the finished product in manufacturing department, where we get the lot of financial activity, materials, labors, waste management techniques, energy. Now this raw product again check into the checking department, and which is again going into the market, and we get the feedback of that product, and getting on that feedback, changes occurs in that product. So this is all about the manufacturing system. Now guys, the manufacturing trends in 1960s, the success of manufacturing company which is depend upon the cost of that product. But in 1980s, the success of manufacturing company which is depend upon the quality of product, right? But nowadays, the manufacturing company success which it depends upon the cost, quality and the lead time of that product. That means the lead time means the placing order and receiving it. So it is also known as time to market, right? So this is the manufacturing trends from 1962 till date. Now what are the challenges occurs during the manufacturing, right? So if you see here, the development of effective and efficient training and education program for the manufacturing workforce, as more skilled workforce is required, this is challenge. The use of implementation of information technology in various areas of the manufacturing industries and their sub-functions, these are also challenge. Sustainability of small and medium scale enterprises to provide the support to the large scale manufacturing organization, this is also manufacturing challenge. And last one is the focusing on clean and green manufacturing technologies, the environment and the society issue. The responsibility of the production process thus goes hand in hand with responsibility for the final disposal of products, that is recycling in line with environmental policy. So these are the some challenges during manufacturing of the product, right? So this is about the manufacturing, guys. So why we need the advanced manufacturing processes, why we study this subject? Okay, so this answer is the manufacturing is the basis for all economic activity and future growth of a country. At the beginning of 20th century, mass production using efficient machine tools emerged in USA. After Second World War, new advanced manufacturing processes came into existence, right? Since 1950, new technologies have been emerged: computerized, numerical control, flexible manufacturing systems, lean manufacturing, green manufacturing, computer integrated manufacturing are some of these. Newer material have been developed and their processing requires special machine tools or special manufacturing process. Therefore, there is a vital need to have more efforts to continuously advance manufacturing technology for a better off and more stable future. So why we need the advanced manufacturing processes? So why we need to study this subject? So this is the answer, right? So we want the more stable future, right? So we have to take the more efforts continuously for advanced manufacturing technology, right? So this is about the introduction of the manufacturing processes, right? Means how the manufacturing trends are changes from 1952 till date, right? So guys, do you have any questions regarding the introduction of advanced manufacturing processes or course outcome of this subject? You can ask me, right? You can drop me the message or call me, or you can post your questions at our WhatsApp group. Thank you.